Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to the eastern wing of the Stink Bug Works. Yesterday, I was all over the Stink Bug Works. I finished up a guitar project over in the Southern Works, and now the Southern Works is clear. I might move a boat back in there. I think I'll move in that little MHZ shovel nose that's replacing the MHZ shovel nose that is one of the prizes in the upcoming Dr. Jet Challenge. Remember, Labor Day. That's like the 1st of September or something like that. It's just like right there, and we're end of July. You've got 1 month. Da, 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 da. You've got 1 month. This is one of the prizes. Now, this is really cool because in this bag, I have everything you need to bolt right onto the existing bolt holes. Everything you need to bolt on and have a Cobra M450. Now, you've seen the Cobra M450 run. They're no longer available, and I don't know why. I mean, this is a modern race hull with good, sharp edges. Okay, it's made from cheap plastic, toy-grade plastic. Okay, but here's the deal. And on this one, yeah, you have to glue it together, but the parts fit pretty good. And what I would do is I would use that water-thin cement that comes in a paintbrush bottle and put these seams together, with the exception of there's an internal seam here that goes along here that you'd probably want to use just regular model airplane glue. Anyway, once you glue the hull up, it's a great boat. And here's the bonus. Here's the real bonus. Everything that you see on the bench that is the color blue is disposable. Remember the Porsche? The Porsche 88? The hull I got from Economaster, the guy in Ukraine? You can also use a mini Dom or a Scored or any one of those mono hulls that's this size and essentially this style, and you throw this here, gear in it. Once again, there's everything. There's a motor. I'm sure there's a speed control in here. There has to be. But there's a servo and all the mounts and all the everythings, and I'll double check and make sure there's a speed control. Anyway, why am I hyping this? It's the prize. Come on. Now, I have one entrant thus far, and I have some bonus prizes too. And one of the bonus prizes was for the first place entrant. And he got his bonus prize. It was a toy grade boat, but a cool one. It wasn't one you'd go out and buy, but if somebody gave it to you, you'd go, oh, that's cool. You know, there's nothing to write home about. But I've got a bunch of prizes, and see, we both win at this because when I give away prizes, I gain real estate in the Stink Bug Works. So everything that goes out opens up a little bit more room so I can breathe. Finally, on on Dr. Jack. I'm going to give him a couple of days. I don't want to burn out on him, so I'm going to give him a couple of days to sit whilst I do other things. I got to go do some surveying tomorrow. Oh, we're going to do real surveying. We're going to beat wood into the ground. I got to do some surveying tomorrow, and today I really have to work on some drawings. So there you go, a brief update. You won't see a lot of the SK Daddle Jet for a while, but don't worry, it's drying. Until next time, boys and girls. Jet out.